hearing a strange humming noise or buzzing noise coming out of your NordicTrack X22i console, well, don't toss your treadmill out yet. Come behind the treadmill and listen to this corner right here. Underneath this back piece of the console is a little fan in this corner that's always spinning, and it could be possibly hitting a bunch of wires that are scrunched up in this side or towards this side of the console. So if you come back here and listen and you hear the noise very loud, it's probably that fan. One possible test you can do to see if it's the fan is tilt the console down and tilt it back up and see if that alters the noise, because that might shift the wires in a certain position where it hits the fan. So if it is very loud in that particular corner, you may have to remove the whole console off the frame and take off the backing, reposition the wires, and then reassemble everything back together, and that should fix your issue.